Have you ever struggled with a streaky windshield wiper? Today I'll show you a simple trick. First, stop the wipers, then lift the blade away from the windshield. All you need is flame, a candle, or match. A jet gas lighter is preferred. Run the flame along the rubber edge of the wiper. Be sure to move quickly and not keep the flame in one spot too long. The heat from the flame will burn off any debris or buildup that is causing streaks. The heat will help restore the rubber blade flexibility. After a few passes, wipe the edge clean with a cloth. Now, test it out by spraying some washer fluid and see the difference. Your wipers should now glide smoothly across the windshield. Remember to always be careful when working with fire around your vehicle. So before you pay a new set of wipers, try this trick.